So the first question I always ask companies is, how established are you? If you're quite established, if you've got plenty of clients, if you've got lots of customers selling lots of products, but you feel like your organic reach, you're just constantly getting in front of the same people over and over and again, and really everyone within your community that you're getting in front of has bought from you, and you just kind of feel like you've hit that glass ceiling, then I definitely would suggest looking at Facebook. Facebook reaches over, the last number I looked at was over 3 billion users every single month. It's so mainstream. Your clients are going to be on there. Your customers are going to be on there. But what about if you're a new business or not quite established? So you've just started out, you haven't sold many products or many programs, and anything that you have sold has kind of been sold to your friends and family. Then I ask a second question. What have you got more of in your business right now? If you've got more time than money, so if you don't have a lot of cash behind you, but you've got lots of time to test, then don't run ads. I would suggest that you go away, you just really work the organic marketing, you reach out, you join groups, you talk to people, you start conversations, you practice, and you actually test the concept of your product or service. Don't spend any money yet. Don't do advertising yet. If you are time poor, you really don't have any time, but you've got a nice pile of cash ready to invest, then I would say, it's probably worth testing it. However, it's going to cost you money to test, because everything you're testing is going to cost you and it's going to be expensive.